sorry about that. Hopefully, I'm gonna just vamp here for a moment and see how YouTube thinks things are going. It was it said good health, and now just the stream looks. It looks like Restream.io says excellent. It's really happy with the well. I'll give it a moment here, and then we'll get going. And if it's super terrible, I will restart it. Gordy G, nice to see you over there on YouTube. And you can see who's here right there over in our Discord. You can get comments incoming. It's still buffering. Oh, no. Good. Okay, well, it's claiming good. It won't give me a live preview of it, so that doesn't sound good. But YouTube is, yeah, YouTube's saying decent health at the moment, so I say we forge ahead. Stream status good. All right. Now I'm going to ignore that. I am going to hit record, just in case. Hey, Sir Prince-a-lot said, it's good now. Okay, good. Yeah, and then Dave Odessa, there's a comment, buffering really bad. It looks like things are clear on some of the other Twitch, Facebook, some of the other ones. I don't know what. First thing I want to do is say, head on over to this URL if you want to check out this week's product pick of the week for this. Before I say any more, what I'll do is I will have, yeah, YouTube. All systems are coming back online, it seems. All right, chat, let me know if you're getting this transmission and if we're buffering. YouTube is claiming good stream status again. It doesn't love the bit rate. Things are blinking. Getting transmission. All right. Let's plow ahead. So before I go any further, I will say head on over to this URL down here. Ooh, could you hear any of that? I don't know if my mic was on. I'm going to have Lady Ada go back in time and introduce this product pick. So take it away, Lady Ada.
This is Parts Pal. Parts Pal!
Parts Pal!
It's your pal that won't let you down. It's a bunch of parts.
Kind of all of the parts that you would want. It's kind of it's a little bit of everything all together in a nice little case. So this is the box. It comes with this box. It's the big bag first. So you get a half-size breadboard. It's really handy. You can put components inside of it. You also get a stick of 4 if you'd like. You also have some wires. You also get a bunch of LEDs. You get 5 LED. I just love these. These are just so handy because they're like really big. They're great for indicators. They're fairly bright as well. And you can use them in the breadboard and you get, you know, here's 10 4.7K capacitors. These are really handy because, you know, you can get resistor kits, but capacitor kits are rarer. So this, it lower the capacitance, the higher the voltage. And then we have 50 volt capacitors, and I'm not going to a range of capacitors, and the little numbers on them indicate which sounds. You can also use it as a basic tap sensor. You get 3 breadboard friendly slide switch, so it's kind of handy. You get 3 of those. You get for common. You get a one of each, and a nice knob with an arrow. Again, breadboard friendly. But we have code example. You can use it as a temperature sensor. You just need one of the switch. So when you flick it or when something moves, the 2 pins short together. So it's another easy way. More baggy. You can tell there's a lot of parts. There's like 170 total parts. So you get 5 power diodes. These are 1N4 1N4 148s. Can be used as small, go only one direction. You want to use this as part of a filter or something. 78LO5s, sorry, 7805s, 1 amp. Transistors are kind of common. I think they're like 30 volt transistors, about 200 milliamps probably each. You can use it for powering a small motor with the flyback diodes and do basic stepper motor control and stuff. You can make low current 555 timer. I really like this particular 555. It's a little more expensive than the NE 555, but it's CMOS, not TTA, for all sorts of timing needs.
All right, so that's Parts Pal.
That's, yeah, no, there's a lot, but I want to explain every component. So I think it covers everything that you need. When you get this, you're kind of...
Don't buy Breadboard Buddy. He's not your buddy. He's not your buddy.
Breadboard Buddy's a liar.
Yeah, it's not.
Yes, that's right. PAL is PAL. So let me flip the camera down here. Look at that right there. Grab some emergency electronics if you're going to work on projects, go somewhere where you're not sure what you're going to encounter. Electronics in general. But it's really great for microcontroller projects. If you look at some of your Raspberry Pi Pico or even a Raspberry Pi full board, single board computer, the down shooter, I'll just show you some of the highlights of what you get in here. So, as well as some header pins, breakaway headers. You've really good for indication. We also have a pack of different types of capacitors, transistors, we have voltage regulators, we've got a 555 timer, an op amp, all kinds of good stuff there. Slide switches, some trimmer potentiometers, a little photocell, 555 timer. So you'll frequently do these types of things with it when you're just first learning, if you're putting together projects based on some of the getting started tutorials, be it for ground going to one leg of an LED, the other leg of the LED is going through a resistor, and then through another jumper wire back over to one of the pins, and I'm sending it a really basic blink project. But next thing those are the types of things that you'll definitely want to do when you're getting started. So this kit makes a really good gift if you're giving someone a microcontroller and helping them get started. This is a really nice see. I don't know if there's much more to say about it. What I'll do is I will show you. Here is the Parts Pal on the Adafruit site right there. And you can see during the show right now, it's $9.98, so you can take advantage of there. Here you can see, go to this view of the world for a second. Here you can see all those parts laid out there, so that's a really nice representation of what you'll get. Is some of the learn guides that you'll encounter. So here's some getting started in MicroPython from Tony DeCola. I think Kattni has some getting started in MicroPython and CircuitPython on Pico that also use a lot of great learning stuff and beyond that you can do with the Parts Pal there. Sorry, by the way, for that is, what's the ID number on this? This is 2975. Head on over to 2975 right there. There's the URL. Pick those up. Those are on discount just during the show. Hopefully, even though the show is buffering live, you'll be able to catch up on this later in the archived version of it. And I hope this convinces you to go yell at the internet. I'll shake my fist at the rain, too. I'm going to try to fit this back into its container here so I can put it up on my pegboard. The case has a nice hang tag. For Adafruit Industries, I am the buffering John Park, and I will see you next time.